back to my channel. I'm so glad that so many of you found the animated banner tutorial helpful. I'm happy to help, but I also have been getting requests for the header. So when we looked at the TPT store that we looked at the other day, I showed you that there's the animated banner, and then below that there's the header, which is more of like a long kind of column banner. I'm gonna show you how to make that, and we're gonna try to do it in 5 minutes or less once we start the tutorial, because it just doesn't take that much time once you know what you're doing. It's not that hard. So I'm gonna walk you through that in just a second. Please take a second to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and to share it with all your people who are working on a TPT store this summer. I would love to help you with absolutely anything, so please feel free to comment or always DM me right here on any of my socials. I'm always available to help you. I know that this can be the summer where you are making money on Teachers Pay Teachers, and this is your first step, branding your store. Also, I wanna make videos that are as helpful to you as possible, so please leave in the comments anything you would like to see a video made on, and I will absolutely do that for you. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great summer so far, and good luck on these TPT stores. Let's jump into the tutorial. All right, guys, we're gonna start by taking a look at my Teachers Pay Teachers store so that I can show you what I mean by this. So here is my store. This is what it looks like. This is what I taught you how to make in the last tutorial, this little animated banner. I've also done a covers tutorial that was more abbreviated. So if you have any more questions about covers tutorials, just let me know. I can make a second kind of round if that would be helpful to you. But what we're discussing today is this guy right here, which is your store header. So, and they call them all sorts of different things, right? So like some people call that the banner, some people call that the quote box. For my purposes, I call this the animated banner and that the header. I don't even know if that's correct terminology, but when I say that, that's what I'm referring to. Okay, so let me show you how I put this together. So first of all, you're gonna wanna scroll up here to your dashboard, and you're going to click Customize Store. Let me get there. Okay, so I just clicked on Dashboard, and then once I'm over here, here's the Dashboard tab. I'm gonna click on Marketing next. Scroll down a little bit and click on Customize. This says this is where you can upload your own banners. The very important thing about this also is that it's going to give you the dimensions of the banner you're actually uploading. We can have kind of like a second tutorial if needed. Again, let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to create a column banner. And of course, you can always use the things that I'm creating here as inspiration when you're making your own. Okay, so what they call it is the store page leaderboard. And here's the dimensions, 718 by 90 pixels. So let's open up Canva. Canva is always our friend. The free version is great and will probably serve your purposes for a long, long time. I didn't actually like spring for the pro version until just here very, very recently. And that was really just so I could have like more freedom on it, I guess, but I probably could have made it work. Okay, so we said it was 710 by 90 pixels. Is that correct? Nope, 718 by 90. So then back over here, you're gonna click Create a Design, Custom Size. We're gonna change that to pixels, 718 by 90, and create new design. Then what's cool is once it pops up, there's going to be some templates or like whatever that you can use if that's something that you wanna do, or you can just create it from scratch. Personally, I'm a create it from scratch kind of a gal, but you can do whatever you want. Let's go ahead and just use this so you can see how it would work. So let's click on gift guide under 50, right? I would change this to, you could keep it to like shop now, but I'm gonna change it to I'm so happy you're here. Cute, right? It's not Christmas, so that can go. This, let's change it to joyful noise teaching, boom. But I hate that font, so let's change that to like one of my custom fonts. And if you need a tutorial for how to upload custom fonts, I can also help you with that. Super easy, because I just upload the fonts that I've paid for into this area. You can also change the color of things and stuff like that. Oh, that's cute. I think I like the way that looks, so we'll keep that. And I like this actually like stacked on top of each other, but I want it to have more distance. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to increase the line spacing. See how that works? I could also see it being spaced out a little better. So I'm going to click that to adjust the letter spacing. Boom. Okay, so then I also have like a brand color kit. So if you click on this color to adjust the colors, you see how my brand colors are right here. I would click those to change out the colors. That one's actually pretty close, but that teal is too teal for my purposes. And now it looks like something that would really fit my branding and my store. Same thing works on text. You can highlight the text, click text color, scroll down to your brand colors, and change the color.
You can also click effects because that kind of made it like blend into the background, you know what I mean? So we can do something like this to make it stand out more, or something like this. We could even do it on a curve. I'm liking the way that this looks. I think this is cute. If you want a tutorial for any of the things I just sped through, because I just briefly touched on brand colors and custom fonts and things like that, just let me know your concerns and questions in the comments. I'll promise I'll get to all of it. Just need to know what you want. Okay, so then I'm going to change the title of this file to store banner, and then I'm going to click download, PNG, size is fine, don't even worry about adjusting that, and then click download. So now I'm downloading my store banner. It'll take it just a second to download. It'll tell you that it saved your design, yay, and then you're just going to pop back over here to Teachers Pay Teachers, upload your file right here, and click save, and that's it. So if you have any questions, friends, just let me know. Make sure that you subscribe and have a great rest of your day. Good luck on those TPT stores. Let me know how I can help. Bye.